Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be finally starting on my spring cleaning. I am a bit behind schedule than I originally, had planned to, start my spring cleaning. But as the saying goes, it's better late than never, right? And it is still officially spring, so I still got time to, push out some spring cleaning, videos. Because my kitchen, y'all, is like a whole video by itself. So I'm not going to even focus on my kitchen today. It's mainly going to be my living room. So right now I'm just dusting the corners of my ceiling for any cobwebs or anything like that. So, and I'll be dusting off my picture frames and hard to reach areas. Now I bought this little feather duster from Walmart. I think it was last year I bought it, and it reaches out like 6 feet. And people like me that's short, I need something like this handy, for those hard to reach areas. So yeah, that's mainly what I'm going to be doing. I want to focus on the living room, since I figured, the living room would be, the easiest, to do. So that's what I'm going to be, doing. And I plan on rearranging my furniture too. From time to time, I like to rearrange my furniture because I just like to see something different, a new scenery. So yeah, if y'all are new to my channel, and if y'all enjoy this type of, content, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe if you haven't already. And for those that are already, subscribed, welcome back, and thank y'all for continuing to support me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, y'all, so to dust, I'm going to be using this Pledge Cleaner. It's an antibacterial multi-surface cleaner, and it cleans and sanitizes, most hard surfaces, and it kills 99.9% bacteria, which is the reason why I bought it, because it's a antibacterial, and y'all know we need it these days. So this is the fresh citrus scent. I bought this from Walmart about a month ago, and it was a little over $4, $4 and some change. So I'm going to be using it to wipe down my TV and my coffee table and my side table. So y'all, I have a little niece. She's 2 years old, and when she comes over here, y'all, she somehow loves to play patty cake, with my TV screen, because she loves to put her little hands in my TV screen. So I'm mainly just, wiping her little fingerprints and any, dust that has settled on my TV. And y'all, I almost forgot to mention, in case any of y'all are wondering, my lamp that used to be right here, I had two of them. One had got broken earlier this year, so I was debating on whether I should replace the same one, or just buy two new lamps. But I still have the other match. I just it's only one left now, so this is the other one. I really do like these lamps. I bought these when I bought my furniture, so I do like them, but I was just debating on whether I should get um, two totally different lamps, or just go ahead and buy the other one that matches this one. So my fan right here is real dirty, so I'm just taking it apart. It's easy to come apart. It's basically like a snap on and snap off. So I'm just taking the cover off, and unloosen the blade, and then I'm gonna take the back part off, which is the dirtiest, and I'm just gonna sit all of them in the sink and just rinse them off in the sink, and then bring it back. So y'all, I tried to be superwoman, thought I could move the TV by myself, but I'm about to call my son in here to help me move the TV because it is a 58-inch, and you know I don't want to risk trying to break it trying to be superwoman. So he about to come in here and help me move. So y'all, we forgot about the rug sitting over there, and we got to redo this over so I can, sit the rug up under the, the coffee table. This is just the way I've been, having it since my coffee table is holding up my TV for now. So we're just gonna have to redo it over and just slide the rug under the table. So yeah, this right here is a little blind cleaner that I, ran across while I was at Walmart. I figured it would come in handy, so I'm gonna use it today to, clean my blinds because these blinds get dirty and a lot of dust get, settled on them. So I think it was like $4 for this thing. So that's what I'm using to clean my blinds. So yeah, it was like right here when I realized that I should have, done it this way, in the beginning instead of the other way because this way is like way faster, to me. It's still getting the dust off. So on this side, I'm just taking the shortcut, and just wiping it, this way, versus trying to get in between like, three blinds because it's like kind of time consuming. So yeah, I'm just gonna, do it this way. So y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I do have more spring cleaning videos coming, so if y'all want to see those, make sure you are subscribed and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more. So that's pretty much it. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in my next one.